Hey there, so here's Astra Life Advice app. Life made simple, all of your questions answered, compatibility reports, personalized advice, work through life challenges, talk about compatibility with friends and romantic interests, discuss personal growth, learn about your dreams, all of this and more at your fingertips with Astra. So yep, then you can just open it up and here you have that. So ask me anything, daily horoscope, romantic compatibility, conflict advice, friend compatibility. However, they only have like a 3-day free trial and then you need to pay some monthly amount. So I just upgraded for you to see how it looks like. So for example, ask me anything, and this is just an idea. Uh, So this is just like some kind of astrology tool, and it combines like a chat GPT with that. So yep, ask you anything, daily horoscope. So uh, when you create an account here, it looks in the form of chat GPT. You need to give your birth date, the place where you were born, and the time when you were born. So here's a daily horoscope. Then you can see like, and then you can just check your romantic compatibility. Then you can see some conflict advice, and then you can see this. So you can just ask some questions. But this is pretty cool, like ChatGPT slash astrology app, where you just see all of things like that. Um, So yep, and as you can see, I'm kind of using it in a free trial. Then you can just use like personal growth. You can just so yep, here it is. You just have that, and yep. So that's the idea. And then you have like 3 dots. You can upgrade to Pro. You can delete your account. You can contact support, and then you can also add a new person here, like just to see how it communicates. But it's pretty cool app. I like it. Of course, you like this Chat GPT element, where yeah, it's just that's just what you have here, and yep. So something like that's pretty cool.